To start this Madame Mim look, I just used a full coverage foundation and did a layer all over my face just to give me kind of a flawless cartoon base to start with. Then I moved on to eyebrows, and I did not glue down or block out my eyebrows for this look. I just used my natural brow shape and put concealer on the bottom. I really kind of wanted to make this Madame Medusa look a little bit more like human-like and less cartoon-like. So that's the reason why I didn't block out my eyebrows. If I was going for a little bit more of like a cartoon look, I would probably have blocked out my eyebrows and did like lines because that's what she has. But I really wanted her, I mean, she is like an actual human cartoon, so I wanted her to have a little bit more of like a human look in this makeup look. Then I put some concealer on my eyelids and underneath my eyes to create a base for the eyeshadow. And then after that, I just set my eyes with a little bit of powder using a puff. And then I do set my face a little bit with a puff as well. Nothing too heavy, brushing away any excess powder. And then getting into a little bit of contouring. Again, she doesn't have that much contouring being a cartoon, but I wanted to give my face a little bit of depth and dimension and look a little less flat. So I just went in with a little bit of bronzer and also accentuated my lovely double chin because Madame Medusa has a very pronounced double chin. She's kind of a messy human being, to be honest. Then moving on to the eyes, doing some eyeliner. I'm doing a waterline, and then I also line my top lids with the black as well. I'm not being very precise because, again, she's kind of a messy human being and has messy eyes. Moving on to the actual eye color, she has light purple eyes, or light purple shadow above and below. So I'm using a Wet n Wild multi-stick as a base and I'm blending that out. And then I am going into the Carity Unicorn Dreams and setting that with a light purple eyeshadow. But she takes it pretty far up towards her eyebrows, so there's no reason to be precise because, again, Madame Medusa is a little bit of a messy human being from The Rescuers. Then I go back in with some more black eyeliner to line the top lash line. And again, not being precise, just smudging it along and then taking a brush and buffing it out. And then after that, I do go in with some mascara and lashes. She has some like very crusty lashes in the movie. I know, again, she's a cartoon, so it's hard to say that, but she has like clumpy lashes. So do not be afraid to go heavy, multiple coats with your mascara or get some like clunky, chunky lashes as well. You probably don't even need lashes, but I think they really just kind of finish the look. Moving on, I do try to do a little bit of shading, and I probably could have done a little bit more, but give myself a little bit more of a tired look. And then she has a red lip, so I just follow my natural lip line. If anything, I kind of underline them a little bit with a red lip liner, and then I go in with a like glossy cherry colored lip, like lipstick. Next, I put in my earrings, which I just taped some paper over already existing earrings to kind of make her accessories look like her accessories. I couldn't find actual earrings that matched hers all that well, so paper will have to do. Then I have to do my dress and my hair. I did not have a red tank top or like a red tank top dress, so I just quickly painted one on myself. Since this is like a really easy Halloween costume, invest in like the low V red dress that she has. I just don't have one. So, and this isn't one of those cases where like, oh, I found one later. I actually don't have one. So it'll have to go on my list of things to buy for the summer. Last is hair, and I dyed this wig. So I actually bought it blonde and then I dyed it orange, and she has some like bright orange hair. When I was in the wig shop buying this, it's a $12 wig, so it's not a fancy or expensive wig at all. But when I was in the wig shop, I thought that this actually had a longer front, like a longer bang area than it did. And then I got it home and it didn't, and all sales are final, so we're making it work. She actually has a pretty pronounced like large bang swoop, and unfortunately my hair is just not long enough to do that actual swoop. So all I did was take my curling iron and try to curl it to give it a little bit of like messiness, and then I take some got to be glued hairspray and I just spray it up to make it a little bit of a style. Overall, I think it ended up giving me the effect that I wanted, and I think this is, like, you could say this is a little bit of, like, an updated version of Madame Medusa, if you will. But if you are going to do this for a Halloween costume, make sure that you get a wig that has a little bit of a longer bang front to really kind of, like, give her that, like, voluminous, swoopy bang that she does have. Then I added some contacts because Madame Medusa has some very severe bright green eyes, and this is the finished look. I will list all of the products that I used in the description box below, so if you are interested in using any to create your own look, you can check them out on your own time. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big old thumbs up. As always, please be sure to subscribe and hit the little notification bell. I would hate for you to miss out on any more videos. Thanks so much for watching, guys.